What's your call? What's your rule?
Hi. You in your exerciser? Where's your cow? Where's your cow? You got it? You got your cow? And you're sticking your tongue out too, all at the same time? So big. You would eat that if you could get it in your mouth, wouldn't you? Where's your cow? Vinny. Hey, buddy. You looking at the doggies? Hi. I know. I know. So much fun. It's so much. Oh, where's your giraffe? I know. What you doing? Where's the doggy? See the doggy? There's the doggy. Hi, doggy. Vinny, what are you doing? Hi, buddy. You're so cute. You're too cute. I can't even stand it. I can't even. What? You growling at the doggy?